Today we'll talk about complete service scheduling ecosystem in Dynamics 365 customer service. This video solves the challenge of designing and scheduling services so business can deliver right service with right resources at right time. We will cover all the aspects of service scheduling like organization units, resource and resource categories, resource capacity, resource skills and certifications, working hours and holidays, services, service activities, fulfillment preferences, and how to book service in schedule board. We'll cover all these topics in our complete demonstration. Let's see things in action. Open Power Platform Admin Center, go to environment and click on Dynamics 365 apps. Look for service scheduling app. It is pre-installed. In case it is not installed, you can install from install apps. Please note that scheduling is based on Universal Resource Scheduling, which means URS. Please also note that customer service and field service both use the same scheduling engine, which is URS. This means resources, capacity, skills, and booking function in the same way in both the application. So knowledge that you're going to get in this video is applicable to field service as well. Let's understand by an example. Think of URS as engine. Customer service and field service are just two different cars using the same engine. Difference is only what you schedule. In customer services, we schedule service activities. In field service, we schedule work orders or on-site jobs. Now, first of all, we will talk about how to create organization units. Go to Corporate Service Admin Center, go to Service Scheduling, and click on Organization Units. Click on New. Let's say New Delhi. Basically, organization units are the physical locations where company provides services to its customer. Let's save it. Click on Scheduling tab. Here we have to put latitude and longitude. You can get latitude and longitude from the Google Maps. Like, for example, copy from here and paste in. Save it. Save and close. A service provider may have multiple organization units. We talk more about organization units at time of defining resources and at time of using the resources in the scheduling activities. Thank you.